Hello guys, welcome back to this channel atall robotics. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this guy. This is a digital scale and it will tell you here, this is the screen. On screen it will tell you how much centimeter an object is from it. In centimeter and inch it can tell you. So this is going to be the project for today. Of course it is going to be a very large video because I'm going to explain everything from scratch, and there are some prerequisites also, like I have already shown you how to interface this switch. This is LCD screen and this is ultrasonic sensor with Arduino, and those are the prerequisite video. If you already know about how to interface these sensors individually, then you are ready to go. And yeah, please like, share and subscribe. I'm planning to bring these type of videos more, so go and watch. If you like it, then comment it like you want more videos. So comment it down and let's start this video. So this is LCD screen with I2C connector. I have already explained this in this series only. You will get the link, all the necessary prerequisite links in description and in I button. And this is HCSR04, the ultrasonic sensor, and this is a switch. These 1, 2 and 3 things are connected to Arduino. So what I have decided that this HCSR04 will record the distance, and our Arduino will compute it and show it on the screen, like distance is equal to this centimeter. Okay, and then this switch, when this switch will be, this switch have two sides, 1 and 0, right? So I will try to make it like when my switch is at 0, it will show the distance in centimeter. It will show this distance in centimeter, and whenever we will turn it toward 1, it will show distance in inch. Sorry for bad handwriting. So it will show in inch. So switch will be an additional feature of this project. It will help to change the measuring unit. So now let's see the hardwares and let's make this project. So guys, these are the things we need for this project. This is the LCD screen with I2C connector. Here you can see that, and we will use these 4 pins. This is our Arduino Uno. This is ultrasonic sensor. This is the switch, and these are some jumper wire, and this is the cable for Arduino Uno. I'm going to use a box. I have this box here. Wait a second. I have this box here. I will fit everything in this box only. So I will just fast forward this video because I'm just going to mark the spaces for this sensor and this sensor, okay, and cut it out and fix this here. Here our construction is completed. Here you can see that this is our LCD screen, this is our ultrasonic sensor, and here we have our Arduino. It will fix it here, and here we will have, and here we have our Arduino, space for Arduino, and here from here we will be able to connect our Arduino to our PC or to power source. So well, don't worry, I will wrap this box with a very beautiful wrapping paper, but first now let me take it out everything, and now I will just program it. Now I'm keeping this box aside, and now I will connect all the things according to our circuit diagram. This is ground, it will go to ground. This is VCC, it will go to 5 volt. This is SCL will go to, this is the SCL, it will go to A5, where is A5, and this will go to A4. So our LCD is connected. So LCD is connected now. Now I will connect our this HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor to our Arduino. This is VCC. It will go to pin number, so the 5 volt of ultrasonic and the 5 volt of the VCC of this screen. They should be connected to 5 volt of Arduino. So I'm just trying to connect them using a wire. So here I can use breadboard, but many of you don't know how to use breadboard. That's why I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible. And now I will connect it to. Now I will just connect it to 5 volt of Arduino. Here it is connected. So both the 5 volt is connected. Now trigger pin of HCSR04. Now trigger pin of HCSR04 we connected to pin number 2, and echo pin will be connected to pin number 4. Ground will be connected to ground of Arduino. And now time to connect switch. So one end of switch will be connected to ground, and the other will be connected to pin number 7. Now let's start coding. So this is a new code. So first I will start with examples and go here and find the here it is, hello world. So from here I will export, just wait for a second. So what I will do, I will export some of the important lines in this code. I'm not going to write everything from scratch, right? In previous video where I have explained you how to use LCD screen, I have explained all this and how you get this. So if you don't know what I'm doing, you can go and check there. So what actually I've done, I've just opened this, and from example I have searched for Arduino Liquid Crystal I2C library master, which we have. This is the this example is in this library that we have imported in our Arduino, this library. Okay, so I'm just using that, and here I will just begin the LCD. I've also given the cheat sheet for this LCD screen, how to use this LCD screen and some of these functions. So here I don't need this welcome. So what I will write digital scale by atall robotics. Okay, and I will give a delay of DELAY. I will like to open the cheat sheet. Let me show you that cheat sheet. So this is the cheat sheet. So I will start with auto scroll, lcd.auto scroll. I will go and give it here. Here I will say auto scroll and give a delay of 2000 milliseconds. Actually I will give it 3000. Good, 3000 milliseconds. And then we will come here, and what I will do, I will just write lcd.clear. Now I'm just clearing our LCD. By the way, we are doing this just for LCD, and then we will write something here. Now let's do something for our ultrasonic sensor. So pin mode, I will just copy it. Pin mode 2, output, 4, input. So here we are connecting the trigger pin of our ultrasonic sensor, here we are connecting the echo pin of our ultrasonic sensor, and here I will do pin 5, I think, what was it, pin 7, input underscore pull up. This is for switch. I'm connecting switch with pin number 7. So for that we have done this. So we have initialized pin 2, pin 4 and pin 7. So now let's write here about it. So first of all I will write pin mode, digital write 2, low, then digital write 2, high, and between this I will give a delay of 5 milliseconds. Now this is, I'm using this for just filtering purpose. You can also watch the ultrasonic sensors video to understand this what I am doing. And after this digital write, and at this point our ultrasonic, we trigger the pin 2 from which trigger pin of our ultrasonic sensor is connected. This means it will send ultrasound, and then delay of 15 milliseconds, and we will write, and then we will turn it off, means stop sending ultrasound. stop sending ultrasound, and after that I will write yes. Now I will make two variables here, three variables: int, centimeter, inch, same as that ultrasonic sensor video, long, nm, and a variable name x also for storing the value of switch. So now what I will do, and I will this is right, and now nm is equal to pulse in. Now here pulse in function, I already told you that it will count the time, for how much time we get the ultrasound in microseconds. nm, sorry, nm not, it is ms. I want to spell it in milliseconds. So here we are getting so pulse in will just count for how many milliseconds we get the signal. So it will count time. Okay, speed is equal to distance by time we are using, and here what I will do, I will just write centimeter is equal to ms by 58. Actually, let me open that. So, and 148, and inch is equal to ms by 148. So here centimeter will store the value in centimeter, and inch will store the value in inch. So right now everything is going fine. If you have watched all the prerequisite videos that I have given in description, then you are not facing any problem in understanding this. And this video is the part of our Arduino for absolute beginners tutorial. So this is the part of that tutorial, that's why I'm using everything from that tutorial and not explaining everything in so much detail. So now we have written everything for centimeter, inch. Yeah, and I think I should also initialize serial monitor in void setup. So serial.begin begin at 9600 baud rate. Okay, delay 3000, everything is fine here, and we need to read the value of switch because we have done with all the coding of our LCD screen and ultrasonic sensor. So now let's program for switch. So I will say x is equal to digital read pin number 7. So now x will carry the value of pin number 7, that in which mode our switch is. And now let's say if x is equal to 0, then I will do something, and else we will do something. Okay, so here what we will do, when x is equal to 0, 0, suppose we want to say this is here we want to write the centimeter, display centimeter value on screen. Okay, so and here I will write lcd dot set cursor. Now what I will do, I will write 0, 0. Actually it's not needed, but I'm just writing. And here I will write lcd.print. lcd.print distance is equal to one gap, and then lcd.print what I have done here, sorry, lcd.print value of centimeter, and then we will print centimeter. Okay, and now I will just copy everything, because in else we are also going to do same thing, just for now here I will write this. Now here from centimeter I will change it to inch, and here also I will change it to inch. So now our code is ready to upload. So first of all I will verify it. Now I will give it name of digital scale. Let's go SCALE digital scale and save it. Okay, so I have an error here. What is this error? LCD was not declared in this scope. Okay, so here I have done lcd.begin, but here lcd.clear is not defined. Why? And this is the while loop. Let me see what I have done wrong, if I have done anything wrong. LCD dot, what's the problem here? Pulsing count time. Okay, so I have done an error here. So you can see that I messed up pulsing here. Here I have to write 4, high. Now I think it will work correctly. No, so again having same problem here. LCD was not declared, but LCD was declared. What's the error, man? What's the error? What is here? So LCD was not declared. LCD.clear, LCD.begin. I have, oh yeah, I have done a blunder here because I have not pasted this line. This line should be pasted here. Now it should work fine. Yeah, the compilation is done, everything is working fine. Now let me upload this code to our Arduino and show you in action. So I will just upload the code here and uploading it. Okay, so that digital scale was showing and now nothing is showing on the screen. If I try to put my hand on this again, no, nothing is showing on the screen. What's the error, my friend? What's the error? Let me see this. So actually auto scroll is there. LCD dot if auto scroll control plus X, actually auto scroll was not working. Let me see if it is working now. Digital, no. Is it anything that I have done wrong? LCD dot begin, LCD dot print 16,2, everything is correct. 2 pin 4 pin 7, LCD dot begin, LCD dot backlight, LCD dot, okay, I have also been the auto scroll, sorry. No, I think it will work. At least it will start from the beginning and then I will try set cursor again. Now it's good. Now let's use this set cursors again. Now it's good. What I just need to add is here by and remove by from here. Okay, so it's working fine, I think now. Digital scale by atall robotics, yeah, it's working correct. And now here you can see that distance is equal to this is showing, and if I just turn the switch to other side, then it should change to inch. Yeah, it's changing to INC. So let's do this. What can I do? First of all, I need to add a delay here. So whenever I have told you that for filtering I have used, so that is so actually I always try to do this, like if you don't add a delay, the values, you will get too many values in very less time, and here right now at screen you are not able to see correctly, and in Arduino sometimes you will be not able to compute it correctly when you are not using a screen. That's why we should always use a delay at last. So I will say right 200 milliseconds, I think. Let's see if it is enough or not. Not showing digital scale by atall robotics, and then distance is equal to 80 to 81 inch. So I will just change this inch to IN only. I will just keep it to IN. Okay, now I will upload it. Centimeter is going correct, just that inch thing is not going correctly. Now it's also working correctly. Okay, now I will just change its side, and now you will able to get the value. You can see that it's working correctly. So our project is ready. Now let's fit this in that box and change the appearance of that box and work on the beautification of our project. But here our project is actually completed. So now let's fit everything in this box. So first of all I will remove this, and now I will just power it on from here. Actually right now I have to fix Arduino there. Okay, I'm just checking, right? So I will just, and now I will just turn on this power using a power bank. So now here you can see that the distance is 13 centimeter, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it's now working correctly, right? And here is my switch. I will just turn it to the other side and see, now it's showing the distance in inch. That's great, means our digital meter is ready. But now let me I will just fast forward everything. I will just cut it out a space for this switch and cover this all with a sticker. So now switch is also fixed at its position, and you can see that it's converting very easily, centimeter and inch. So now I will just fix everything at its place and wrap this in a beautiful paper. Now we have finished our project. I have glued everything on their place, and now it's time to see this in action. So it's looking too good. It's very nice and tidy. So now I will just connect it to, and here you can see that it's working pretty fine. Right now it's showing the distance in inch, and now I can just change it to centimeter. I think it's working fine. So let's check it out if it's working fine or not. So now I will just, you can see that it's reading the distance accurately, and even in inch it is reading the distance correctly. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned how to make this project. Sorry this video's gone too long because I have explained each and everything related to this project, but it was necessary for a beginner to understand this much. With that, I am signing out, and please at least like this video